Hello everyone. Today, we'll discuss the summary for the Python project's Hands-on Coding for Real-World Applications book. 1. Introduction to Python. We will discuss how Python plays a key role in software development and various industries.
I've always been curious about coding and wanted to learn Python because I heard it's easy and versatile.
That's great, Maya. You've made an excellent choice. Python is indeed beginner-friendly and incredibly powerful. Let's explore some of its most popular uses. Ready?
Absolutely.
Maya, imagine you are designing an app like a to-do list or a calculator. Python can help you quickly create such tools. For instance, with libraries like Tkinter, you can build graphical interfaces easily. Have you ever used a desktop app that helps you organize tasks?
Yes, I use one daily to track my homework.
That's a perfect example. Developers often start with Python to create such applications because it's concise and easy to debug. Now, let's say you want to experiment with a new idea, like a weather predictor. Would you want to spend weeks coding it?
No, that sounds exhausting.
Exactly. Python's quick syntax and libraries like Flask or Django make it perfect for creating prototypes. Think of it as sketching an idea before painting a masterpiece. Have you heard about big data, Maya?
I think so. It's about working with huge amounts of information, right?
Spot on. Python is a favorite in big data analytics because of libraries like Pandas and NumPy. For example, companies like Netflix use Python to analyze user preferences and recommend movies.
Wow! So Python helps in creating those personalized recommendations?
Exactly. It's also used to process large datasets efficiently, saving time and resources. Now, let's talk about AI, making machines think and act like humans. Do you know Siri or Alexa?
Yes. They're amazing.
Python powers these technologies through libraries like TensorFlow and scikit-learn. For instance, developers train models to recognize voices or even identify objects in images.
So Python is behind all this cool tech.
That's right. Python's simplicity allows researchers to focus on building smart solutions. Do you play video games, Maya?
I love them. My favorite is one with cute characters and puzzles.
Fantastic. Python is also used in game development. Using libraries like Pygame, developers can create engaging games with animations and sounds. For example, a simple game like Snake can be developed in just a few lines of Python code.
I'd love to try that someday.
Finally, let's discuss web development. Have you visited a website that works smoothly, like ordering food online?
Yes, it's so convenient.
Python plays a big role in that. With frameworks like Django and Flask, developers create dynamic and responsive web applications. Even Instagram uses Python on its backend to handle millions of users daily.
So Python works behind the scenes to make everything run seamlessly?
Precisely. It's like the invisible engine powering the machine. So, Maya, what excites you the most about Python?
Definitely AI and game development. But all of this sounds fascinating.
That's wonderful to hear. Remember, Python isn't just a programming language, it's a tool to bring your ideas to life. The possibilities are endless, and I can't wait to see what you'll create.
Sir, I'm excited to start learning Python. What makes Python such a big deal in programming?
Python is popular because it's simple, versatile, and has a fascinating history that shaped its success. Do you know when and why Python was created?
No idea. I've heard the name but never thought about how it started.
Let's take a journey back to December 1989. A programmer named Guido van Rossum in the Netherlands wanted to create a language that was easy to learn and use. He was working on a project called ABC but felt it was limited. He aimed to fix those limitations with Python.
Wow! So, Python was his personal project?
Exactly. It started as a hobby project during his holiday. Fun fact, do you know why he named it Python?
Oh, it must be because of snakes.
That's a common guess, but no. Guido was a fan of the British comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus. The name Python reflects the fun and approachable nature of the language.
That's cool. But how did it evolve from being Guido's hobby to something so widely used?
Great question. Python's first version, Python 1.0, was released in 1991. It came with features like functions, modules, and error handling concepts we still use today. Over time, with contributions from developers worldwide, Python became more powerful.
So, what changed in the later versions?
Let's look at the major milestones. 1. Python 2.0, 2000 introduced features like list comprehensions and a garbage collector. However, it wasn't perfect, there were issues with compatibility. 2. Python 3.0, 2008, a major update that fixed those issues but wasn't backward compatible, meaning code written in Python 2 often didn't work in Python 3.
Oh, that must have been tough for developers.
It was, but the community adapted. Today, Python 3 is the standard. Did you know Python's simplicity is why companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA use it for web development, data analysis, and even space exploration?
Really? So Python is used in real-world applications like Netflix recommendations or space projects.
Exactly. For example, Netflix uses Python for its recommendation engine, and NASA uses it for scientific computing. Plus, with its versatility, Python is used in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and even game development.
That's amazing. But why is Python still evolving?
Because technology changes, and Python evolves to meet new challenges. The latest versions, like Python 3.12, include improvements in speed, syntax, and features. This makes it a favorite for beginners and experts alike.
This is so inspiring. I'm excited to start coding with Python now.
That's the spirit. Understanding Python's history helps you appreciate its design philosophy, readability, simplicity, and flexibility. Let's dive into coding soon. Let's start by discussing why Python is such a popular choice for programmers today. Tell me, why do you think Python might be useful?
Hi, sir. I've heard about Python being used in different fields like AI, web development, and data analysis, but I'm not sure why it's better than other programming languages.
Good question. Python stands out because of three main things: simplicity, versatility, and community support. Let's break that down with examples.
Okay, sounds interesting. What makes it so simple?
Python's syntax is very close to plain English. For instance, let me show you how you'd print hello, world into languages. In **** C++ ****. CPP. Hush include iostream. Using namespace std. int main. Count hello, world. Return 0. In Python Python. Print hello world. See how much cleaner and easier Python is?
Wow! That's so much shorter. I can see why beginners prefer Python.
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to install Python, the first step to start coding. Open your laptops and go to python.org in your browser.
Okay, sir.
On the home page, you'll see a yellow button that says Download Python, version number. Click on it. Great. While it's downloading, let me tell you why Python is so popular. It's beginner-friendly, easy to learn, and used by major companies like Google and NASA. Now, check if the download is complete.
Yes, it's ready.
Perfect. Double-click the file to start the installation. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python to Path, then click Install Now. Excellent. While it installs, here's a quick fact. Python comes with an inbuilt tool called idle, which we'll use to write and test our code. No extra downloads needed. Once the installation is done, let's confirm it. Open the command prompt by pressing Win+R, typing cmd, and hitting enter. Now, type Python version and press enter.
It says Python 3.12.0.
Perfect. Python is installed. Now type Python and press enter to open the Python interpreter. Now you can 3 arrows. Let's test it. Type print hello Python and hit enter. You've installed Python and run your first program. Explore the interpreter and try some simple commands. Next class, we'll dive deeper into coding.
Thanks, sir.
You are welcome. See you next time.